Now, the company was established in 2000. Now, Huaxia is CE and ISO 9001 certified. Their main products are indoor and outdoor playground equipment, trampoline, rope course, and all these things related to it. Now, all their main products are actually TUV certified. Now, they're also a manufacturer of amusement equipment, sports facilities, preschool supplies, leisure equipment products, and anything that is related to this. Now, they also integrate from development, research, production, and sales of these products. I'm here right now in one of their showrooms, and this is actually a very, very huge showroom because what we're talking about here are not tiny toys. What we're talking about here are playground equipment. So actually, they have a couple of playground equipment or indoor playground equipment here. But I want to mention first that their main products are indoor amusement, outdoor playground equipment, trampoline, rope course, ninja, etc., and all these things related to it. Aside from that, I also want to share some of the certifications. For example, like they have these GS certification. This is from Germany, all right? And then also, we have a couple of them actually. Also, they have the CE certification for Europe. And also they have, this factory is actually also an ISO 9001 certified. They have two major production bases, one in Yangwan Industrial Zone and one in Xiao Industrial Zone. It covers a huge area. It's about 20 acres. Now, they have a registered capital of 51.8 million Chinese yuan or RMB. They have 226 employees. They have 12 big manufacturers equipment in this facility alone. The company follows the country's call, that is the plastic and wood to plastic and steel saving resources. That means even to the raw materials that they're actually producing will comply with a certain standard that ensures that all these products are environment friendly. So what I have here on my side are actually parts of one of their playground equipment. Now, I'm here actually in one of their quality control workshop. Now, this is about 200 square meters on this section alone of the workshop. As you can see, I have parts of a nice tube slide over here. It's not assembled yet, obviously, but over there, I want to share something with you guys. So, because it is a quality control workshop, I have a good friend of mine here who's doing all sorts of measurements. Now, he covers plastic smoothness, the color, the iron smoothness, welding joints, baking varnish, softness of soft packages, and roundness of edges and corners. Now, he's using different tools and equipment to ensure that he gives buffer to the child's safety. When I say child's buffer, when I say buffer, it means the correct angle that ensures the safety of the child. These designers are all talented with their expertise. They produce new designs, they do research and development, and their current designs are actually what they're busy with right now. Like, for example, my friend over here is busy in one of those tube slides. They also design like trampoline parks, soft play, rope course, combination slides, EPP building blocks, magic cube playground, fitness equipment, and all these things. So they design them. So I just want you to give a quick look here. Our friend over here is designing some, looks like in the park. I've never seen this before. I usually review, toys, but this time all these equipment for playground is pretty cool.